Now hujik skills lermani, business lermani, adubu nang system di lerba. In order to build a solid, profitable business. Mayam si laitragadi na mayam business how you know in terms of online dahizab niko. Hi everyone, my name is Thokchom Surmangol and I'm the founder of Asur Academy. Today I have an amazing program especially for you today. How you can build a profitable business in just 5 steps. Mayam dang asidi ko aina kamay taruga profitable business amaka kamay na build tawgi amasung mayam gi mafamda sigi exact blueprint se ay mayam da taksage kamay na profitable business ama kamay na build tarukani online digi adusu yum dagi without lots of employee natavidana employee aina hokmatamda I just started with 1 employee but today we already have 8 or 9 employees right now. Aduna mayam su sigi business ama kamana profitable business ama kamana build tawdano haba khangni ngadi mayam pen and paper pa biro pusna aduga ay mayam da 5 steps da ay taksarake. Step number 1 hanbada khwadigi maru oiba khoina business amada consistent marketing and haba sigi pochma khoi miss tawba swara every single day you need to do the marketing. This is so important. Ai branding gi matang da ai product gi matang da ai services gi matang da ai gi matang da khangdaba Manipur da mi lakun ma kuntra leijida ai nungti gi na moi da awareness people ma thau tai ba. This is the number 1 step. Without doing that you'll be struggling in the market. Nangi product or services to adu da inquiry sulak laktraba mina kemta phone taroktraba mina kemta reach out taroktraba kamaina nang kamaina profitable business kamaina tawdino. It's impossible. So and also nangzu khaling bioba aina ngasi sigi business ang isna market sida aina business tawgina changjar isa customer amagi pen problem ama I fix toroge Manipur gi societies da I impact am pijaram ge na nangzu changba sonum ki or money. And also you need an income for a business. You need 100% profit for a business no matter what you do. Mayam kana umakrana harang mani say the business stories ai pasagi nate they're just lying. Nahang na ngasi business story ba nang na paisa puthokchai dubo khajiktan tongjage na tawjai na tro aduna tabida mayam loi kathok lai aiju ngasi tholai je o seng adum har I don't want to be a great guy. I'm very simple. I'm here to make money. I'm running a business. Aina business ta ai profitable or ta ai employee da ai family kamain chalai dona. No, it's impossible to run a business without a profitable margin. So the question is, are you constantly doing a marketing for your business? Nungtigi customer mayam sida uhundana nangi product or services si matang da kyam khangali. That's a question number 1. So if you're not doing this, start doing consistent marketing every single day. And then step number 2 da you need to build or create a irresistible offer. Season namu kayina maktono aina irresistible offer ma sartuino hai taragadina. Yengobuko kanagumba ama leramani kadaidi hogduno khangdaba duga kamaina lotionduno khangdaba maraki jemu kamain chatuno khangdaba mi myam leramani sigi myam ja khoina offer gi form da sana sabi taraba ko okay adu tar nang point e degi nang sumaina horo aduga maraki step tu nang sumain chatlo aduga step number 3 is da sumaina lotion lo na sumaina khoina offer gi format da we call as irresistible offer. So if you're packaging in this way, like an offer, this will be a great stuff in order to build a solid business in the fastest way. Sida ko nangi hujiki point A, point B, nangi time frame, degi PB, na copy, na pasana 30 days. Let's say, for example, how to build your Instagram, let's say reels in the next 30 days, so that you can have at least like 1,000 followers. Kind of later. Sigumba irresistible offer maka nang pasana sabiraga moida PBO number 2. Adi step number 3 da nang ngasi sigi business models da nang changjar isa nang na yondoriba pot sigi laigidoriba mi se moise kanano ai ideal customer se kanano. Who exactly the ideal customer? Ai ngasi service piriba ai ngasi product yonjariba ai ngasi coaching tawjariba sigi ma'am se kanana lebidono. Who is that exact person? Ai client se kanano moi myam se kalai da pulla leramgani moje Facebook ta leramgadra Instagram da leramgadra moje YouTube ta leramgadra moje X ta leramgadra you need to search fazana search tawba matungda khoi ka darokani moi myam sida mo khoi attract tawna ba khoina lead magnet pu pp gara moi myam gi attention partner ba khoi strategy thadar ka ba yaroi sida if you are very smart enough you can use paid ads Google ads YouTube ads adagi so on myam leigre sida nangna khwadigi hainazaba mayam amasina biro aduga nangi customer mayam je karai da leige je nang phasana figure out to biro this is a simple traffic generation ai client mayam se kamaina thidok no hai taragadi sida le kaiguma nangna phasana khangaba nangi client mayam se kai lem no it's very easy to sell your product or services sida is moida message yam chana ba ma thada ba ma athok tai kai no di gym sana mi da gym gi diet mayam yon jan dar shodam ki laini ba gym sana ba mi da khoina junk food nungti advertise to kamain leidno adu ma sunai le roi aduna chana ba mafam da chana ba message sada biu natraga di somna tawjari ba any business model da yamna solakani amadi pot yon manga moy so the most important thing is I haki customer se kadai de ler mani moida ai chana ba kari message sadaraga di moi myam gi attention moi myam gi inquiry yam line phangkani so aduna mayam kedorkani nangi customer myam je kadai de lege je ngasi dagi thidokpa hodok piro that's step number 3 adagi step number 4 da always you need to build a sales system business am tau targadi sales ki system je aduki matik yam thin important hoy aduga plus profit margin sima phasana ko isana gyan ta dragadi kaigumba nang hujik puri sales tawni ba ko nangi profit margin do khangjo ba ode handagi no na tragadi pot onjal ka nang desperate osal kani nang nuai roi ba ngatangi mina adu taw ada taw negotiate dum tawno tawgadu nahaki sagi product tugi profit margin dagi handagi targadi na nang business survive tawba yam thin ngamoy profit margin nang kali lo deno ka aduga sales ki system je yam phasana ko build tawba ma darkar ni let's say for example nang music kano hire seba ko CRM am hire seba si CRM am the customer me am se phasana segment or tham done ba haidi si customer se ma lakta ngari ma music kai problem tor changai si kana de sign to deno ai team da music kai conversation chani mana pam si kaino phasana nungti ki follow up day 1 as monitor day 2 as monitor 3 as monitor 4 as monitor last ma sales to done ba hek chang ko gadi yon da hoi mana full interested oi gadi yare natraga di khra wani aduna profit margin duma isana phasana yeng biro yam handana su yon birnu aduga sales ki system amaka som build to da swaya roi haidredana asur da book to som biro asur.net/book aduga khoi mateng pangjage phone togi su to biro sin number hapsaramge the last step number 5 then how can you deliver your product or services at the fastest speed hojiki matam da miyo khodima order ek to ba sabla ta pam mane ba ade amana deliver to matung da tracking je am thin important oi tracking and reporting aina nahan lagi tawjari ba tham da tori ba sales togira lead togira nang tonimam toroba tracking dawdraba reporting nang on da phasana nang khangdraba adu taragadi mathom ram ta khangaram last reporting ga tracking ga sima yam thin important oi and then how you deliver your product or services so sigi step manga se myam phasana yengbiro aduga na sida hena khangning su myam na khoda reach out to biro description da phone number so option ge adu ngasimok su book to biro adu somi mateng so dum ke ek pangsige so thank you everyone and apply this in order to build a profitable and solid business for you. Thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video.